Grab the perfect gift for the gadget lover in your life.
That's right. Nerds on Call. Ryan and Andrea Eldridge are back with some high-tech presents. Andrea, did you call a nerd on call to fix the audio situation?
I did, and it was, yeah.
Once I had more than,
when I had more than 30 seconds, I could figure it out. It just, yeah, it was like, and I'm just gonna go. It's great.
No, you did great. What you got this time there, kids?
We have got all sorts of really awesome, fun gifts. You know, I know it seems a little early, but with all of the supply chain issues, you really want to try to get in there early. So you've got a tech lover in your life. We've got something for everybody. I'm going to let Ryan start.
So we're going to start out with the Garmin Dash Cam. Now, there's a little story behind this. I joined a subreddit earlier this year called Idiots in Cars. And it's just a bunch of videos of people being idiots in cars.
Oh, okay.
And I said to my wife, I said immediately, we've got to get a dash cam because, son of a gun, there's a lot of idiots in cars. So this is called the Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2. You can see how tiny it is. It mounts right behind your rearview mirror, constantly records if you give it some power. There's also the ability to tell it with voice commands to record or to save. It's fantastic. I can't wait to put it in my car because there's so many freaking idiots.
Crazy
okay,
people.
go ahead.
This is a smart water bottle, which I know the first question we hear a lot is, do we need a water bottle that's smarter? And yes, you do, because what it does is it reminds you to drink water, which obviously we know how important hydration is. And it's super easy. So this is their HidrateSpark Steel. So this one keeps your drinks cold if you want to do cold drinks. It actually has sensors in the bottle itself, and it will glow in very pretty colors once an hour to remind you to drink. It also works with an app that syncs with your Fitbit, it syncs with your Apple Watch, all the things, so that you can track your water and know if you need to drink more to stay healthy. This is their tap. They just released this version this year. You just tap your phone every time you finish a bottle, and it'll automatically log it to the app, or like I said, to Fitbit, or to any of the other associated stuff.
Because if you've ever tried to record your water drinking on MyFitnessPal, you're like, I don't know, how much did I drink today? I have no idea.
And this one's only $20. So it's really an inexpensive price point to drink more water, which is amazing. So definitely check that out.
So Cody, I know you've got 1 million games installed on your Xbox at home, and I've found a solution so you don't have to remove a game to install a new game. This is the Xbox Seagate expansion card. This is a 1 terabyte card. It just plugs into the back of your Xbox One X, and it's got 1 terabyte of storage. So you can put all of your games on there, go over to your friend's house and show them how good you are at Call of Duty. It's just fantastic, and you don't have to worry about carrying around a bunch of discs. You can bring all your games, all your save games.
And you don't have any issues with lag time or reduction in quality of your game because it works directly off the Xbox instead of being in the cloud.
Exactly. It's $220, but well worth it. Definitely.
All right.
We want to do some stocking stuffers, of course. So these are actually Verizon sent these to us, but this is a PopWallet. So if you know somebody who likes the Pop grips, like, of course, I mean, because of their customization, we had to get some nerdy ones here. This actually sticks on the back of your phone case, and it can hold up to 3 cards. So I actually use a case just like this, but it doesn't have the pop with it. And so when I saw that, I was like, ooh, that's awesome, because you can customize it and make it super personal. But it's great to be able to put your driver's license, a single credit card, maybe a $20 bill in there, and then you don't have to bring your whole thing with you every time you leave the house, which for me as a mom is amazing. And also as stocking stuffers, we wanted to talk about the Apple Airtags, which I know Ryan was excited about. We used to go with Tile, and Apple came out with this product this year. It works very similarly where it'll find your things, and so if you attach it to your phone, to your keys, there's these little key ring adapters. You can attach it to your backpack, your bike, your pet. And it works off of the Find My system, so even if your device or your item doesn't have any power, it'll ping the network of other iPhone users in the area and give you locations. And the batteries are replaceable, which is also a really cool plus. It's like $30 a piece, or you can buy 4 for $100 if you have lots of people who lose things like we do in your life.
Great ideas.
Great ideas.